Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I am going to discuss about rule number 3G, restricted in her ability to maneuver. That is, ram vessels. It means a vessel which, from the nature of her work, is severely restricted in her ability to maneuver as required by these rules and therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. So the term vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver shall include, but not limited to, first, a vessel engaged in laying, servicing, or picking up a navigation mark, submarine cable, or pipeline. A vessel engaged in dredging, surveying, or underwater operation. A vessel engaged in replenishment or transferring persons, provisions, or cargo while underway. A vessel engaged in launching or recovery of aircraft, vessel engaged in mine clearance operation, and vessel engaged in towing operations such as severely restricts the towing vessel in her tow in their ability to deviate from the course. So this much is important from the topic of restricted in her ability to maneuver vessels, and hope you have liked it. Thank you.